This is Chris, and I was making a video about the boulders used in this water feature when I looked down at the synthetic turf and realized, what the heck? They spent a fortune, comparatively so. I mean, this could have just been shrubs and mulch. Spent a lot of money to make a quality water feature, and then put down synthetic turf and just let all the details go away. This turf is quickly becoming an eyesore and worn out from the environmental factors and foot traffic because they just took the turf and laid it down on the ground. There's no infill here. They didn't take this synthetic turf and put a strong infill. Infill is a sand mixture, usually a number 30, I think it is, size sand. Could be wrong on that, but in any event, use the infill. You have to top dress, so to speak, the synthetic turf with the infill. If you don't, every time the foot traffic goes on it and pushes it down, it's being pushed against the matting that the fibers are adhered to. So it winds up laying down. You can see this whole thing is just laying down after years of foot traffic. The infill keeps the blades straight up, or as much as possible. Very important to make sure that when you get a synthetic turf quote, you're getting a quote that includes 3 to 4 inches minimum of class 2 road base, a 1/4 to 1/2 inch layer of 1/4 inch minus decomposed granite or crushed rock fines, then the turf, and then the infill, along with a really good edging material, and that is not plastic edging, which will never hold up. Anyways, just a little bit of information about synthetic turf.